Hello and welcome back to Ben the Review That. Today I have a special treat for you. We're going to go inside of an E-Mart here in Korea. As you can see, I'm sitting outside the E-Mart right now. It's a very large building with many floors, so hopefully we can record inside and they don't get mad at us. This is what the outside looks like. Let's go inside, I'll see you inside. So as you can see, it's like any other store. I would probably relate it to like a Walmart maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on E-Mart and see exactly what it's like. They got a Burger King, so that's cool. Burger King. We know that's good food. You got a little eating area right here. Clothes. Some hiking shoes. So this says, you can see the sign, it says season off. So I'm guessing that means that it's outgoing season, so maybe summer stuff. But this no brand here, you see, no brand is like a brand. I know it says no brand, but it's actually a brand. So no brand is a brand here in Korea. And you see them all over. They have no brand burgers. They got no brand restaurants, no brand whatever this stuff is. And that's the name. No brand. Orange juice. These look good. It's like some jelly belt that says apple flavored sour stuff. So you can see this floor is mostly closed. We'll go up the moving sidewalk type thing. It's pretty cool. So let's see, it says Electromart upstairs. So So then this floor will be all different stuff. Yeah, fishes. Little fishes. So
기둥에 있는 수화기를 들어주세요. 저희 직원과 바로 통화하실 수 있습니다. 쇼핑이 참고하시기 바랍니다.
as you can see, they have a large variety of plates, bowls, cups. Kind of like I mentioned in the Daiso video, space is like a sacred thing here. So they have a lot of things that they can separate items in, and really cute, quaint things. All your typical household wares, clothes, shower stuff. Looks like they got some toys over here. Oh yeah. These are cool. Put your phone on them. Charges your phone. Toys. Among Us. Legos are popular anywhere, as you can see. They have a lot of good sets here too, like Thor, Love and Thunder. More Legos. So this is the parking garage for the E-Mart. As you can see, they have like service stations here. So if you're going to get your, kind of like Walmart, I guess you would say, if you're going to get shopping and all that done, you can park your car and they can change the tires for you or do the oil, or so very similar to what you would find in the States. I think this is a car wash station. Yeah, so this is the car wash station here. Here's the electric cars charging, as you can see. Electric cars here in Korea are a common thing. Unlike the US, you'll see a lot of electric cars. Random box. Apparently it's just a random box that you buy.
重要になっています。
So there you have it, guys. That was the review of E-Marts. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, think about liking and subscribing for more content coming at you from Korea. And I'll see you in the next video. So take it easy.